Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I had an idea. I had the leftover from the last painting CraftSmart metallic sapphire that I added the 24 karat gold to. I had this aqua green, which I mistakenly said was Liquitex. It was not. It was Artist Loft aqua green. And this is Anita's metallic turquoise. This has had 24 karat added to it. This has not. And I have mixed up some more 24 karat, and it's not super thin. It probably should be a little thinner, but I just used 2 parts Floetrol in this instead of 1:1, like I mixed it for the previous painting, and I have mixed it for cells because I just want to see if this will do a swipe. I don't know if anybody's done a swipe with 24 karat or not, but I think what I'm going to do is lay all the paint down in the middle and then swipe out and see what happens. Hopefully we'll get something pretty. I'm going to start out with the gold. I think on top of that I'm going to go with this sapphire blue. Some aqua on top of that. Sandwich it kind of between that sapphire and this beautiful turquoise. And go back over it with some more gold. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, I didn't mean to dump out that much. Got it running off that end. Okay, both ends. I have my paper towel ready. It has been dampened. So, hard to see. Uh-oh, I'm running out of paint on this dry canvas. I wondered if I should wet the canvas with some Floetrol first. Now I wish I had. Okay, so I'm going to do that again. Now I got into the blue. Huh? Wow. This is weird. I don't usually do swipes, in case you hadn't noticed. Those that I did recently. Oh no. What is that? It was what was dripped off over there of the purple. Oh, holy cow. And the Prussian blue. When I mess up, I do a really good job of it. Wasn't dragging enough paint. I should have had that paper towel down deeper in the paint. So let's see what happens. Still very thin on this edge over here. You know what? I'm turning it around. So note to self, use a clean puppy pad next time. Oh no, I drug it off. Guess what? I have some drip off. Now I'm just playing. Now I'm just playing. Well, really got the cells down in here. Not so much up in here. I think the paint's too thick. So I'm going to torch it. See if that helps. Pop some bubbles there. Now then, if I have any paint left on there, that'll shift. Not really moving much. So I would say on this one, I will probably have to fix my sides somehow because I really don't have enough paint going over on this. And if that doesn't work, maybe paint it on the sides after it's dry. But that's what I got. So I will take the camera down. Looks like that's trying to shift down there in that corner. And I'm going to let it see it moving in that corner. See if we get any cells popping up or anything. Ooh, the top's really shifting. Kind of like it though. Need a little movement, a little action. I kind of like that. This is really thin right here, where I swiped it, what, 3 or 4 times. I'm going to let it move on down. May have to speed up this part. Got some movement in it now. Oh, I particularly love this area. Hope it levels out and dries pretty. I'll bring that on over that edge just a tad right there on that corner. I actually end up liking it now. It's very cool. Oh, I like it. Okay, I'll take the camera down and give you all a close-up and decide what I'm going to do about these sides. Thank you for watching, hanging with me. This was not a short one. Maybe I will speed up some areas of it for you. I like this one. I ended up liking it, even with the addition of some colors that I actually didn't put on the canvas. Really did give it some contrast. Hopefully we'll have a lot of that shimmer from the gold. And I'm going to take the drips off the canvas and put it on the sides and see what happens with that. But this is what I ended up with, and that's how it looks. The colors are beautiful. Just beautiful. Kind of like that area, especially that swishy part right there. So, thank you for watching.